A very good evening and a warm welcome once again to what will be the first of two videos in the next 24 hours. This is our locally sourced and in fact recommended to the owner, Anne, who has decided it's time to maybe hang up her driving gloves. This 2015 Skoda Citigo 1 litre 3-cylinder SE specification in this night blue metallic, which is rather fetching. We've had the vehicle as always detailed with our partners here, BCP, and yours truly and Neil has given some invaluable assistance this afternoon, so well done to Neil. The vehicle will be passing through our workshop partners, AP Auto Care, so where it will get a 12 months MOT. We've just bought the oil and the filters from Volkswagen Skoda, so that will have genuine oil and filters. And it has a comprehensive, pretty much full service history. We've just picked up a further 2 receipts from the independent garage, and you'll be pleased to know that as well as servicing and MOTs, etc., it's also had a replacement cam belt. Yes, it's had a replacement cam belt, not on the mileage of course, that's just 14,400, but on the age. So this car is a very well maintained and serviced vehicle. It's capable of over 62.7 combined, so somewhere in the 50s you should be getting easily from this vehicle, and it's just £20 a year to road tax. So what isn't there to like about this beautiful 2015 Skoda Citigo SE? So you not have a completely basic car, but you do get air conditioning, you also get tinted windows, you get central locking, you get electric front windows, you get adjustable driver's seat for height, and also steering wheel adjustment for height. It's obviously part of the VW Up, and the Seat and the Skoda are all part from the same vehicle, so the parts bins are actively raided for each one of those 3 manufacturers from the central bin, if that's doesn't sound very good, does it, the central bin, but there we go. So you know, you could make your own decision on that, but some people are really now enamoured with the Skoda product, and why not? It's a wonderful product and lots of tradition and heritage with it. Not a lot to tell you about the car because it's come at about 2 miles from where we operate from, and it was through a recommendation, so we were delighted to meet Anne and help her to sell her car without any hassle, fuss or any unfair tactics. Vehicle has just yesterday in fact been detailed, polished, machine polished, and a ceramic infused wax has been applied, which we don't make a charge for, so no need to have anything else on this vehicle. It's ready to go. We can deliver the car to your home or work. It's £1 per mile, and it's a 50% reduction because we don't charge you to come back, we just charge you to reach you, and then obviously we do still need to get back to HQ. So it's a very good offer. It's £1 a mile. Just so you know, we've never ever had to take a car back through a misdescription or someone being dissatisfied in any way, shape or form. All our reviews are available on Google, Auto Trader and Facebook. Now there are some images in the montage of images where I do show you with the back seat down. It's a 2+2 4-seat vehicle, a reasonable sized boot, sort of very deep actually, very deep boot. Let me show you the boot. I'll just lift the parcel shelf and lock it into place. So I don't know if the camera or the video is showing you, but it's a very good, I'm having to bend to reach the bottom. So a good sized boot. 3-cylinder engine, Euro 5. You could put parking sensors on it. There's not parking sensors with it, but they would go on there, I'm guessing. Anyway, I'm sure some of the more different specs have parking sensors, but you really don't need them because the back of the car is angled down pretty much straight, and with the power assisted steering it's very simple to maneuver in tight spaces. Ideal city car. It is a city car, isn't it? So let me go to the driver's door, just straighten the steering wheel slightly, Now it's one of the few cars today that you do get a CD player, and there is a Motown CD playing in the vehicle now, which belongs to Anne, so I might just offer that back to her actually. I'm sure she'll be missing a CD, so I might just surprise her and take it around. So don't please think that the CD comes with it, but for the purpose of showing you and demonstrating to you, it has got a fully functioning and working CD player. We'll share with you all the service data, but I've gone through it myself and I'm absolutely impressed. Anne was a long-standing 45 years, no less, working for Rolls-Royce and Bentley in Crewe. 45 years before she retired. One job straight from school, so she knows the value of looking after things, and she certainly has maintained and looked after this car really, really well. So you do get a, let me just turn the lights on, just bring a little bit of light and clarity to things. So there's your CD player, it's all built in. AUX port, you can transfer and play music from your phone if you wish. There's a CD player, there's the air conditioning, 4-speed fan, then your direction, hot and cold obviously. Look at this little touch here, that's a clip. So anything you want to keep without floating around the car, you just clip it behind there. How's that? Down here you have a adjustable drinks holder, a full-size drinks holder or whatever suits you. So if you want to stop it rattling around, just bring that forward. Adjustable steering column. It's very straightforward, very functional car. I drove it back from our house and it goes like billy hole. It does, it goes really well. It was like a Ferrari. I don't know how they've managed to, it's probably the weight, isn't it? The weight in the gearbox ratios. But that's the service data, and we'll be adding to that, giving it this year's service. I think it missed one last year actually, it's the only one it has missed. But it was serviced back in 21 in June, when the mileage, we got the mileage 13,175, and it's now done 14,400, so it's done just a little over 1,200 miles since it last had a service. So we'll be using genuine oil and engine oil filter, which we've already got ready to go in the boot and take to our service partners. Quite a good size glove box, if you can see that. Altogether, I'm impressed. I really am impressed. No smells, no animal odours or tobacco. Anne wasn't a smoker, and nor did she have any pets. It's a great car to get the kids to school, or to start someone off when they've just passed the driving test, or maybe to finish the driving days. This is a great little car to do it in. It's available right now from Cheshire Cars. Ask about our UK delivery, and look at that, we've been established since 1996. It's making me feel old now. Fair part exchange, competitive car finance, all available with this vehicle. We are open 7 days a week. We just ask that at the weekends, and especially in the week as well, because we are floating around everywhere, we're so busy, that you don't just turn up. Please do make an appointment to view this or one of our vehicles. But we also purchase cars like this one. As we did this one, we purchase cars for cash or bank transfer as it is these days, and we're very fair and professional, and we have lots and lots, hundreds in fact, of Google reviews that will tell you that. So if you have a car to sell or you're not being happy with the part exchange, get in touch with me, David Bilsborough at Cheshire Cars. That's our 2015 on a 15 plate Skoda 1 litre SE 5-door Citigo 4-seat vehicle, available right now. Have a fantastic evening. The sun is out. Let's hope some of us will be enjoying our barbecues and relaxing in the garden. That's what I'm going to add shortly. And there'll be another video of an Abarth, which again we've purchased directly from the owner who we sold the car to in January. So there we go. Change of circumstance. The first person they ring is yours truly. So there'll be a very bright modern yellow Abarth Competizione being videoed tomorrow around about this time.